Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to discover how to make your own whiteboard animations from scratch in Canva? Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter your desired dimensions to customize the canvas size according to your needs. This allows you to design with any size, offering full creative flexibility. Go to Elements, then search for photos or backgrounds to enhance your design quickly and easily. Add animals here by clicking the Add button. Click Animals, then select the image. Drag the image downward to increase its size. Adjust the position as needed to fit your design. Use this method to resize images quickly and precisely in your project. Open the Apps menu, then type Speed Painter into the search bar to quickly find and launch the Speed Painter application. Click the Speed Painter to start your painting session. Click the drop-down menu at the top and select the image option. Before proceeding, you need to download the image file to your device. Ensure the image is saved locally so you can access it for the next steps in your project. To add a background color, select the region, then choose the desired background color. Next, click the Share button to open options. Finally, click Download to save your project with the new background applied. Select the preferred quality using the Size option, then click the Download button to save your file. Ensure the settings fit your needs before proceeding. You can add more design by selecting and dragging additional elements into your workspace to enhance the overall layout. Type "Let's chase the text color" into the text box. This action sets the text to display with your chosen color. Ensure the color settings are applied correctly to see the changes in real time. Use this method to customize and enhance your text appearance efficiently. Add effects by selecting Outline, then change the outline color to white. Once done, click the Share button at the top to share your project easily with others, or export it to your preferred platform or device. Click Download to save the file after adding the text. Ensure your changes are complete, then click Download to start saving the updated document to your device. Zoom into the view to get a closer look. Next, select the Speed Painter tool. If any unnecessary elements are present, delete them to keep your workspace clean. This helps maintain focus and prepare the canvas for your painting process. Click Choose File, then select your design file. Type Zoom in the search bar and click Open. This uploads your design, making it ready for use within the application. Follow these steps to successfully add your design file. In Lotus, select the desired duration for your project. Adjust the settings as needed, then confirm your choice to apply the duration change. This action requires 5 credits. Ensure you have at least 5 credits available before proceeding to complete the task successfully. Check your balance first. When you add color, it takes 3 seconds, and when you remove it, the duration is the same. Adjust these timings to fit your animation perfectly. Start with a source image. If no additions are needed, switch to the whiteboard mode and use the hand tool for annotations and drawings. Generating this design costs 8 credits. The longer your video, the more credits it uses. Keep your video duration in mind to manage credit consumption effectively when creating or editing designs to avoid exceeding your credit balance. The system requires more credits to continue generating. You must add credits before proceeding with the next generation step in the process. Wait for the video to finish loading. Loading times vary depending on the video's length and file size. Be patient as the process completes, ensuring your drawing integrates smoothly. Once fully loaded, you can proceed to the next steps without interruptions or delays. The video duration automatically updates after uploading. Review the final result to ensure it matches your expectations before proceeding with further editing or sharing your completed project. Click and drag the corner to resize, making the object larger until it fits your desired dimensions on the canvas for better visibility. Click the play button to start the video. Adjust the volume and use controls to pause or rewind as needed. Click the Share button to download your video as an MP4 file. Save it to your device or share it directly with others instantly. Increase the quality setting before you click the Download button to save. Now you know how to create hand-drawn whiteboard animations in Canva-like, and subscribe for more creative tips.